Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is HP Deskjet Plus 4100 series. What I want to do is to show you how to print photo from your phone to this printer. First of all, we need to remove the A4 paper we got here. This is 4x6 photo paper. So take the photo paper that you want to use to make sure the glossy part need to face up. The shiny part need to face up. Go to the paper tray, load paper, and adjust it. The most important thing is you need to make sure the paper is loaded correctly. The shiny part need to face up. And to print photo from your mobile phone to this printer, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network. And in this case, we connected both via Wi-Fi network to print photo. So if you go to the gallery, then you select the photo. This is the photo that you want to print out. Tap on the three dots, select print, scroll down, and select correct printer. Then size of the paper, change it. Select the size of the paper, 100 by 150. Orientation is portrait, and you want to print this color. Then you select print. This is the photo we printed out. Another way to print photo is for you to use HP Smart App. So this printer and mobile device are connected using HP Smart App. This is the printer here. This printer and mobile device are connected using HP Smart App. Then you select on the printer, select on it. Then you scroll down and go to print photo. Select print photo. Then it will take you to the file for you to select the particular photo that you want to print out. Then you select add the photo, retrieving the size. This is the photo and it's showing us 4x6. Then you select the type. You have plain paper, photo glossy paper. So select photo glossy and the 4x6 inches. Main tray. So this is layout. Then you select next. Main tray 4x6 inches. Photo glossy paper. Print copy 1, print quality automatic, and we want to print it color. Then select print. This is the photo we printed out. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.